Walmart is restructuring parts of its corporate workforce with a view to build out its omni-channel capabilities and centralize merchandising. It is planning to streamline certain roles while creating some new roles in supply chain, stores, and other facilities. United Parcel Service, a multinational package delivery company, is building giant freezer farms capable of supercooling millions of vials of COVID-19 vaccine, preparing for the day when it will need to deliver the medicine at high speed across the globe. Online grocer Fresh Direct has partnered with micro-fulfillment provider Fabric to widen its services and add on-demand delivery in the Washington, D.C. Their micro-fulfillment center will handle around 10,000 fast-moving SKUs and can process up to 1,000 orders per day. Blue Yonder, an American software and consultancy company, has acquired Yantrix, a SaaS provider of commerce and fulfillment microservices. This acquisition combines real-time transactional systems with supply chain planning, forecasting, and fulfillment solutions to power modern commerce. Clorox, an American manufacturer of consumer and professional products, has decided to increase its supply chain capacity and get essential products, especially disinfectants, back in stock. XPO Logistics expects to benefit from shippers increasing e-commerce volume, reshuffling supply chains to explore reshoring, and increasingly looking to outsource supply chain management. Its customers need interim capacity to manage peaks in demand, especially due to the unpredictable buying patterns led by the pandemic. Berlin-based startup Cargo.One, online booking platform for air cargo, received massive funding of $18.6 million, allowing the company to expand to overseas markets such as Asia and North America. MacGregor, a cargo and load handling solutions company, has come up with an electronic bill of lading solution called M.Folio, which protects drivers and staff, eliminating face-to-face interactions and providing secure document access for remote workers. Descartes, a Canadian multinational logistics software company, has worked with supply chain industry experts to create an e-book called Delivery: The New Moment of Truth. This book explores how retailers are managing to meet their customers' demands. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and share. And for more such videos, follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook and Twitter.